You are an idiot if you're not watching these three stocks for Tuesday's trading day. Yesterday, as always, I gave you the top stock in the market on KNW for a massive 180% explosion today. But don't worry, because if you missed it, the top stock for tomorrow looks almost identical. So if you like making money, don't scroll, watch the full video. Let's have an amazing Tuesday. Now, first up at number 1 on the list is this massive explosion on the daily breakout today on LAES. Now, this thing looks phenomenal going into Tuesday, but only if it does meet criteria tomorrow on this confirmed break to the upside. That being said, over here on LAES, I'm going to have to find buyers over the high of day over 397. I want to see good, strong price action. After breaking over the highs, that is not valid yet. I'm going to have to then watch for pullbacks to then confirm under 397, but over 390. That is key here. We have to see confirmation back in that area of liquidity. If that does happen, look for entry off the pullbacks through that range for the room overhead all the way to 5 and 550 to the upside. So you have a ton of upside here, but only if entry criteria is met. No break, no trade. Next up on the list, number 2 looks 10 times better than the first one here, and they had some pretty crazy news as well. Now, this thing exploded over 730% today. It was insane. And this thing exploded huge today after their drug helped mice live 20% longer. So this thing looks pretty crazy going into tomorrow, but only if, again, similar setup to the last one, we can find buyers to confirm over today's high of day. That's called waiting for confirmed direction. If we find confirmation of strength over $2.21 tomorrow, we then have to find pullbacks to, again, confirm off the retest. So the actual breakout itself is not confirmation. We want to actually see price break, find strength above, and then pull back and find buyers off those pullbacks somewhere over $2 a share. If we do find buyers back on the retest here, that's a beautiful entry opportunity for the range here overhead to 2, 6, 3, 5, and even 4 to the upside. This thing has a ton of upside, some pretty interesting news, and clearly the market loved it today. I mean, this thing exploded like 800% to the high of day. So if we do confirm over the high of day again tomorrow, this thing maintains trend and looks amazing. No break though, no trade. Number 3, and last but not least, looks exactly like the massive 200% runner from last night's watch list on KNW. Now, before I give it to you, I give you the top 3 stocks in the market every single day for completely free. So hit that like button to say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. That stock here is the massive explosion today and our most profitable stock of the day today on SNPX. This thing looks incredible with this awesome tightening wedge going into Tuesday. Now, again, similar to the last 2 setups, you see a pattern here. I want to see buyers come in strong here over $4.50. If they do, guess what's next? That's not the confirmation. What is confirmation though is if it pulls back to retest and then confirms buyers over $4 a share. If it does, those pullback entries are pretty attractive, and we have room here overhead all the way to 550 and 6 to the upside. Again, amazing range, amazing setup, but only if it meets criteria. This thing looks pretty awesome. To unlock full access to my entire stock watch list every night, every morning, to watch me trade every day, get alerts, education, chat room access, and so much more, claim your 7-day free trial while the market is insanely hot, because this is an